Why do you like hiking so much?
Because it's fun.
Uh-huh.
You like hiking too?
Yeah.
Fresh air.
And why do you drag me along with you?
Because you need to go.
I hate walking.
Take pictures and enjoy it.
Where the hell are we gonna... Where's the end?
The end of the trail?
Yeah.
I've never seen the end of the trail here.
Dang.
Mom, remember that time when we almost got all the way up?
Yeah. One time we almost got all the way up there.
Yeah. But then we went all the way.
That was You like the view?
It's okay.
Okay. Awesome. And the sun's out.
Be better if we were like in Panama
Well, yeah.
or Europe.
Mexico,
Mexico,
Hawaii.
maybe.
Not so much Alaska right now.
No. Where would you like to hike?
Mexico.
Think so? Where at? Like,
Some of the ruins.
yeah?
Yeah. I don't know. Belize would be kind of fun.
With or without kids?
Well, it depends on how they're going to act. Worth the walk up.
So now we're walking up the freaking...
Rich Gulch.
Oh, sun's coming out. How long have we been walking?
Like 15 minutes?
Dang, that's it?
Yeah.
I'm winded.
Turn the switch back.